Hello everyone. Do you know overeating, lack of exercises, irregular sleep and hormonal imbalance are some factors which increases your weight? There is a great tea which is very beneficial in losing your weight if you include it in your daily routine. With this fat cutter drink you can feel extreme change in weight loss in your body within a month. The name of this tea is cinnamon cranberry tea. It will warm you from head to toe, heart to nose. This aromatic tea is so simple to make and will have you yearning for more. Before preparing it, let us watch its health benefits. Cranberry is good for kidney stones, cardiovascular diseases. It helps in preventing heart attacks, lower the bad cholesterol. Whereas cinnamon suppress your appetite, control blood sugar level and insulin in the body. Helps in losing weight and burn stubborn fat. Both ingredients are good for metabolic rate, improves digestion, prevent constipation, gas and acidity. This tea is also good for ulcers. Ingredients required for this tea are 20 ounces cranberry juice, 3 quarts water, 5-6 cinnamon sticks, depending on preference, 5-6 black tea bags, depending on how strong you want it. For each cup, 1 lemon wedge. Turn a burner on the oven on. In a large pot, bring the 3 quarts of water to a boil. Open and place the tea bags in the water. Wait for the tea to seep and remove the tea bags. Pour in the cranberry juice. If you do not know how to make cranberry juice, then you can watch my another video of it. Link is given in description box. Place the cinnamon sticks into the pot. Take out the cinnamon sticks and place them aside. Pour the tea into cups. Garnish with a lemon wedge and half of a cinnamon stick. This tea is better when served hot. Drink 2 to 3 cups of this tea in a day. Thanks for watching this video. Your views matter, so please like, share and subscribe our channel for new updates, and you can click on the screen to watch our other available videos for more information about weight loss.